Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a Hyderabadi recipe, mutton tahari. You can prepare this with mutton, chicken, beef or even with vegetables. When you want to have something delicious and there is no time for preparing biryani, then this tahari option is the best, I would say. It's an easy and simple version of biryani and a level above pulao. So let's take a look at the ingredients. You need 2 big onions thinly sliced, then 3 tomatoes chopped, and then 1 cup curd, that's 200 grams. Then you need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then you need some spices. You need 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, then 2 cardamoms and 3 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of shajira. Then you need half kg mutton. Then chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and then ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, then garam masala 1 teaspoon, and then you need a few mint leaves and coriander leaves, 4 to 5 green chilies. Then you need half kg of basmati rice. Here I have washed and soaked it. You need to soak it for almost half an hour. Now the next step is to marinate the mutton pieces. Now let's take the mutton and then add in the curd. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then add in the garam masala. And then the turmeric powder. Then goes in the chili powder and then the lemon juice. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and then mix it well. Now let this rest for almost 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's start to prepare the tahari. Now heat a cooker and then add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Then add in the whole spices, that's bay leaf and then clove, cardamom, cinnamon. Now we need to crush the shajira. When you crush and add the shajira, you get a lovely aroma. Then add in the onions. Saute it well till it turns golden color. Now add in the ginger garlic paste. Saute it well to get rid of the raw smell. Now add in the tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and saute it well. Now when the oil has started to separate, it's time to add in the marinated mutton pieces. And mix it well along with the tomato and onion paste. It's very easy to prepare this recipe, even the beginners can give a try to this. I'm just adding half glass of water. Mix it well, cover and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Now open the lid and check whether the mutton pieces are cooked or not. Now transfer this to a wide pot and add in the chopped mint and coriander leaves along with the green chilies. Do not slit the green chilies, we just want the flavor of it. I have measured the rice in this big glass where 2 cups of rice measures 500 grams. So for each cup I have taken 1.5 glass of water. Totally for 2 cups we need 3 glass of water. And stir it well. Check for salt, add if needed. Now when the water starts to boil, add in the soaked rice. Now keep the flame high and cover it with the lid. Now you need to give a stir in the middle so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. Do not reduce the flame. Give it a stir and then cover it again. Now when the rice and the water is in same level, we need to cover it with the foil. And then place the lid, and you need to keep it in dum, that is, place the pot on the heated tawa in low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, remove the foil, and there you go, easy and delicious flavorful Hyderabadi mutton tahari is ready. You see, the rice and the mutton are perfectly cooked. It's ready to be served now. You can serve it along with some creamy raita. It's an easy recipe with lovely aroma. Do try it out and give me your comments. Thank you for watching.